morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to take a quick look at the Kyosho Trail King Blizzard 2.0 series. So it's a belt-driven vehicle. I got this one as a birthday present. I currently don't own a belt-driven vehicle, so it's a little something different. They come ready to run. It's a 1/12 scale. So pretty nice looking vehicle. So we'll get right into it and have a look, see what we got inside. Ready? Here it is, guys. Nice looking machine. We're going to send a special shout out to RC Nation out of Kamloops, BC. That's where this vehicle come from. So we'll have a quick look. It comes with the controller, of course. It looks kind of like an airplane controller. It's got all your reverse for your channels, V-Mix, your binding button, power on. Nice looking controller. Also comes with the manual, of course. And in the back, it does come with a charger and the little binding wire. So the manual is pretty much full of like the parts you can replace and stuff like that for it. And it comes with a 2200 milliamp 7.2 volt battery. So not the biggest battery, but hopefully it'll get it around. Like I said, come from RC Nation. I want to thank you guys out there. You do an excellent job. So we'll have a quick look at the inside of it and see what it looks like. So as you can see, the outside here, we got LEDs on the front, as well as we have the LEDs in the back. There's the on-off switch for it. A little bit different spot to put that, but let's get into it. Just a couple pins in the back box there, and then it slides off. A couple little plastic divots. Fairly basic on the inside, you guys. Couple motors. See all your gears here. ESC's obviously in this little box here. We're not going to take it apart. It looks like a fair amount of wires go into it. No big deal though. Battery goes underneath. Little Dean's plug. Fairly basic. Power drive shaft is up front. And it comes out to a little chain in here. I don't know if you can see that little chain up in there. That is it. Very basic, you guys. Nice looking little rig. So I'm going to throw a few pictures of it. A couple little videos of it going around. We'll see how it is. I know you can get upgrade parts such as the tracks, the wheels, the gears, the pinion and spur gear. So we'll have a little run and see how it does. Thank you very much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, smash the bell. I appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.